Hello everyone, welcome to the Educon Community DBMS learning series. And today we will learn about the query language, then relational algebra, and the operations which we do here. So the first one is query language. So basically, query language, it's a language. It's a language where which user requests information from the database. It's a language which user requests information from database. Okay, from database. So it's the first point. So in the next, we can say that query language can be categorized as one is procedural query language. Okay. So first one is procedural and another one is non-procedural. So it is the types of query languages. And what we do in procedural query language? In procedural query language, the user mainly instructs the system to do a sequence of operations on database to compute the desired result. Okay, but in case of non-procedural query language, the user mainly describes the desired information without giving a specific procedure for obtaining that information. And so these are the basic difference between procedural query language and non-procedural query language. Okay, so so next, in the next, we will learn about the relational algebra. So relational algebra is procedural query language. Procedural query language. And it consists of a set of operations that take one or two relations as input and produce a new relation as output. Okay, so what are the operators or operations? We can divide it in in this way. Okay, so operators. So first one is basic operators, and the second one is derived operators. So for the basic, one is unary operation as they operate as single relation. So unary, and another one is binary. So binary operation as they operate on pairs of relations. Okay, so for unary we can say that select select. Okay, select can be written as in this way. Okay, then projection. Or project. Okay, so projection can be written as pi. Selection is sigma, projection is pi. Okay, so the next one is union. It's like you. And what are the binary? So for the binary, first one is set difference. Okay, set difference, and set difference can be written as only by minus sign. So then next one is Cartesian product. Okay, so next one is Cartesian product, and a Cartesian product can be written by multiple sign. Then next one is rename. Okay, so rename, this is row type. Okay, this is for the rename. And that for the derived operation, for the derived operation, first one can be written as join. Join is like that here, and there are several types of joins which we will learn in coming videos. Okay, so the next can be as intersect. Intersect is the opposite of union. Suppose x intersect y, means what? X minus of x minus y. Okay, next one is division. Next one is division. It can be written as this or this way. So that's for this session. Thanks for watching, and do like, share and subscribe as much as possible for getting further videos.